Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy style achieved on an old flat twist and curl. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. To begin, I gather all of my hair into a semi-loose ponytail and spray only the perimeter with water, which is the first step to the lock method or the LCO method. I then proceed with my cream, which is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Again, only applying it to my perimeter, following up with my oil. After applying my cream and oil, you will see me use my hands to smooth my hair in the direction I plan to put my puff. Because my hair was very dry and I am going for a sleek look, you will see me add more water when necessary. I don't always use a wrapping foam mousse when trying to achieve a sleek look, but I was very low on Styler, so I had to improvise in order to get the job done. After applying the Lotta body, I did follow up with my Styler, which is almost gone, by the way, as you can see, but I made it do what it do. After getting your hair as sleek and as smooth as you may like, you begin to gather your hair into a ponytail, brushing as needed to make sure there's no lumps and bumps. And from here, the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. Last but not least, I slick down my baby hairs because I feel like there's nothing like a little bit of baby hairs to go with a sleek look to help complete it and make it look, you know, a little more nice, a little more cute. But it's all up to you and it's about what you like. I prefer my baby hairs. I don't do too much or I don't go too over the top, as you see here. today it did take me a little longer than usual to get my baby hairs to lay the way that I like. Right there on the left side where I am now, I do have a little bald spot. I had stitches there when I was younger and the hair just doesn't grow there. But I was playing around with my baby hairs, trying to get them to my liking. I used my scarf to tie my hair down, left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And once I felt like my hair was pretty set and dry, this is the final look. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If it was helpful in some kind of way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all again. Thanks for watching.